We have a birdhouse here tied by pieces of rope. If you look here, the rope is actually cutting into the tree. Now, this can be very dangerous to the tree because it can weaken the tree and leave it susceptible to fungal diseases, bacterial diseases, or insect pests. So what we're going to do here is we're going to loosen the rope. We're going to tie it back, and we're going to make it just a little looser this time. And I'm sure the tree would definitely appreciate it. You can see here how much this rope has been cutting into the trunk of this tree. If you're going to decide to tie a birdhouse to a tree using a rope, make sure you check it every year just to make sure you're not weakening the tree. Wow, that was quick. If you want quick gardening tips, just subscribe below.